the little duck playing together. They're so wise, and that is a different lake for all.
That is not playing. He's very angry.
That is not a duck. It's a bird.
Mm.
They are swimming. Ew. They're so cute. That is not a duck, baby. Oh, it's a bird. They're so cute. There's so many.
Mm.
They are mixed. Duck and bird. Hello. I only see now that the bird swimming too. But these two is very much friendly. They are so close to each other.
That one is kitty. The one is very aggressive. Yeah.
They're enjoying really.
Mm. That is a male and that is a male too. The other
Female.
female. And the one I think who was so aggressive too, that female. He comes with you, but when the other will come and he's stronger, so the one aggressive must away.
Here, that is a female.
That
That-
one is sure a male. You see that red.
If it is there is red, it is. So they are three. They are all having a red color. So they are all men.
Hmm.
Male, not men.
That are female.
Aggressive. Okay, we go home now. I'm hungry. You're very much interesting with that. Hmm?
I could look for some flowers.
So we will come back here again, baby. If you love here. It's good that I did show you here because you love here. I know you. The three angry bird. They are so aggressive.
you must. Yeah, okay.
Okay. You enjoy this too, ah? And the next time, we will bring a biscuit that I can give.
No,
Not allowed. There is a one. Forbidden. Okay.